how to unblock someone on Cash App. If you happened to block someone on Cash App and then you decide that you would like to unblock that person again, it is quite simple to do that. First of all, you want to open the Cash App application and make sure that you are signed into your account. Once you're signed into your account, select the activity icon from the bottom right of the screen as you'd be able to find there. Now when you're on the activity page, tap the profile of the blocked user in your transaction history. So you have to select that person from your transaction history. Once done, tap on Unblock at the bottom of their profile. The steps to unblock someone are also similar to the steps to block someone. Just like how you block them, you'll also be able to unblock them. This way you will be able to unblock someone on Cash App. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.